Hello friends, welcome to one more topic about central government budget deals with primary with revenue account versus capital account. Watch this video. This video is about 3 to 5 minutes which will clear all your doubt relating to current account and capital account and will make sure that you get more marks. Let us see this in detail. Capital account of central government budget, it is prepared in very simple way. There are two sides, the income side as well as the expenditure side. Now I am going to define how the income of government is there. It is primary with the tax revenue, whereas how the expenditure is there. Expenditure are of two types, non-planned and planned. Right now I am explaining non-planned expenditure. They are incurred on programmers for various sectors which are not detailed in the plans. Let us see the types of tax revenue. The first, how does the revenue government derive revenue? Revenue from direct tax, and the example of direct tax are income tax, wealth tax, etc. Whereas revenue from indirect tax examples are VAT, GST, etc. Now coming to the non-plan expenditure. Non-plan expenditure can be divided into different parts. There are first, interest payment, that is on loan borrowed in earlier period. Second, social service like education, health, public utilities, administration and general service. These are to be planned by the government. Moreover, there are economic services like agriculture service, industry, electricity, transport, technology, etc. The fourth one is non-planned grants and assistance given by center to state as well as union territory. Therefore, it is an expenditure for the government. Point, current expenses on defense because it is also to be maintained. Next thing, subsidiaries. Next, salaries, and next is salaries, pension, etc. Now coming to the point, there are other ways of income which are apart from tax, that is income other than tax. Now let us see that in details. Government earns income by tax as well as other like interest income earned from loan given by center in earlier period. Moreover, the government is running the companies, therefore profits and dividend of public sector enterprises. Next, fees and fine for public utilities, and the fourth one is assistance received from abroad. Now we have seen non-planned expenditure, therefore the second topic on the expenditure side will be planned expenditure. These are the expenditure which are incurred or programmers for various sectors which are detailed in the plan. They are how to develop agriculture, industry, irrigation, information, communication, energy, mineral, transport and other such sectors. Moreover, government also plans grant and assistance given to state and union territories. Now, capital account of central government budget in a short or summarized manner can be income side. Income side means the when income is coming in as well as in the form of recovery of loan. Once the loan is recovered, it is an income for the government. Second, the borrowings, and the last one is other capital income like those from disinvestment, small saving scheme, etc. Whereas the other side is expenditure side or the debit side. It means the money is going out of government. For example, there are 4 examples: repayment of loan borrowed earlier, loan given to another government is also expenditure, capital expenditure on social and economic service is also an expenditure, and the last thing is capital expenditure in defense. Thank you for watching this video. I will upload video on every Sunday, so please subscribe to my channel Pranav Classes. Please share this video so that brother, sister and friend get more marks. Moreover, if you have any doubt, leave a comment. I will try to solve it. Thank you.